with India-Pakistan all set to face off each other in the Asia Cup on September 14 in Dubai after much controversy, UBT Sena MP Priyanka Chaturvedi has slammed the centre and BCCI over this decision. The MP has asked if money is more important than blood. Remember, after the Pahalgam attack, ties between India and Pakistan have been strained and all activities were called to be paused. My colleague Shreya brings us more details.
Well, 5 months after the Pahalgam terror attack that claimed the lives of 26 people, the Operation Sindoor is currently underway. India, that has banned Pakistani artists, has banned sharing water with Pakistan, has asked all the Pakistanis to leave the country, and is also asking globally all the countries to isolate the enemy nation Pakistan. At a time like this, we are seeing India versus Pakistan match being scheduled in Dubai for the Asia Cups on September 14th. It is quite jarring, and that is why all the opposition leaders have also raised their concerns. Priyanka Chaturvedi has said that if profit comes over patriotism, has accused BCCI and the government of India for approving this match to happen. Earlier we saw Mr. Owaisi also questioning in the parliament that if trade and airspace is restricted with Pakistan, then why play a cricket match? Because diplomacy and cricket should go hand in hand, and it's important to note that BCCI it earns approximately 200 crores while telecasting a India and Pakistan match through ad revenue and sponsorships and ticket sales. So it's good business when it comes to India versus Pakistan match for BCCI. But what about the soldiers who have lost their lives, the innocent civilians who have lost their lives in the Pahalgam terror attack? What answers will the government give to the people? Of course, historically we have seen India-Pakistan matches being halted after 26/11 and after 1970 war. So it is possible for the match to be called off, but so far there is no official confirmation of the match being called off. Back to you.